How to connect an iPad to a TV. If in case you have the best adapters, it is simple to do. The iPad a good way to cut the cord and get rid of cable TV. However, what about watching in your TV? If you happen to want watching in your widescreen TV, join your iPad to your TV utilizing a wired or Wi-Fi connection. Join your iPad and TV with Apple TV and AirPlay. Apple TV is a good way to attach your iPad to your TV. As a result of it makes use of AirPlay, its Wi-Fi. This implies that you may hold your iPad in your lap and ship the show to your TV. That is the very best answer for video games. The place having a wire connecting the iPad to a TV is limiting. The apps put in on Apple TV present a bonus. If you happen to love Netflix, Hulu Plus, and Crackle, you need not join your iPad to take pleasure in streaming video from these companies. The apps run instantly on the Apple TV. Apple TV additionally works nice with the iPhone and iPod contact, permitting you to stream video via AirPlay or use your leisure system's audio system to play music. Apple's 2017 mannequin of Apple TV has a strong processor, has entry to the complete model of the app retailer, and may stream video in 4K. Join the iPad wirelessly without utilizing Chromecast. If you happen to do not wish to go the Apple TV route, however wish to join your iPad to your TV with non-wires, Google Chromecast is another answer. Fairly than hooking up the Apple TV to a TV, you will join a Chromecast to a TV. It has a comparatively straightforward setup course that makes use of the iPad to configure the Chromecast and hook it right into a Wi-Fi community. When every little thing is about up and dealing, you possibly can forge the iPad display to your TV, so long as the app helps Chromecast. That is the numerous limiting issue in comparison with Apple TV's AirPlay, which works with nearly each iPad app. So I use Chromecast. Streaming units like Chromecast are cheaper than Apple TV. It additionally works with Android and iOS units, so if in case you have an Android smartphone and an iPad, you should utilize Chromecast with each units. Join the iPad to your HD TV by HDMI. The Apple Lightning Digital AV adapter is the best and most easy method to join an iPad to an HD TV. It really works via an HDMI cable to ship the iPad display to the TV, so it really works with any app that runs on an iPad. If you happen to are involved about battery life, the adapter additionally permits you to join a USB cable to your iPad. This offers energy to the system and retains the battery from working low whilst you binge on Seinfeld or How I Met Your Mom. You too can stream your film assortment from a PC to an iPad to an HD TV utilizing dwelling sharing. It is a nice method to change from DVD and Blu-ray to digital video without dropping the power to see it in your big screen TV. Join the iPad utilizing composite or part cables. In case your TV does not assist HDMI or you do not have sufficient HDMI outputs in your HD TV, join the iPad to the TV with composite or element cables. The element adapters separate the video into crimson, blue, and inexperienced, which provides a barely higher image. Nevertheless, element adapters are solely out there for the previous 30-pin adapters. Composite adapters use a single yellow video cable and crimson and white sound cables, that are appropriate with most televisions. The element and composite cables do not assist show mirroring mode on the iPad, so these cables solely work with apps like Netflix and YouTube that assist video out. These cables additionally fall in need of 720p video, so their standard is not as nice as when utilizing a digital AV adapter or Apple TV. Join the iPad with a VGA adapter. With an Apple Lightning to VGA adapter, you possibly can hook up an iPad to a TV geared up with a VGA emitter, a PC monitor, a projector, or one other show system that helps VGA. This answer is great for displays. Many more modern displays assist a number of show sources. You could possibly change between utilizing your monitor in your desktop and utilizing it in your iPad. The VGA adapter helps the show mirroring mode. Nevertheless, it doesn't switch sound, so you might want to hear via both the iPad's built-in audio system or exterior audio system. If you happen to watch via your TV, The HDMI adapter or the element cables are the very best options. If you happen to use a PC monitor or wish to use your iPad for giant displays with a projector, the VGA adapter could also be the very best answer. This answer is greatest when utilizing a monitor to challenge a big display for in-viewers, comparable to for displays at work or faculty.